From time to time, the way we work the land is redefined by new technology. It's why farming and innovation go hand in hand.
My name's Steve Norton. I'm the Portfolio Manager for Croplands Equipment in Australia. We're here in Ouyen, Victoria to showcase WEED-IT Quadro. WEED-IT optical spot spraying gives farmers a great opportunity to only target the necessary weeds. This can be very effective for cost and use of chemicals, and can be a great strategy in herbicide resistance. We can use very high quality chemicals and possibly chemicals from different family groups that can be used to target those hard to kill or possibly resistant weeds. And most importantly, do it economically. WEED-IT's new Quadro sensor operates with a blue LED light at the opposite end of the light spectrum from the original red WEED-IT sensor. The main advantage to this is there's less influence from the near-infrared emitted from the plant, and the result is less random firing and higher detections of small weed. We're calibrating to all the field conditions up to 40,000 times a second, taking into account soil conditions, sunlight intensity, clouds or moving cloud cover, and even transitioning into nighttime. The WEED-IT Quadro performs so well at night because we have no other near-infrared in the environment from the daylight. The new solenoids are fitted with a 6-volt coil, and this is a 50 Hz operating solenoid, which simply means opening and closing the solenoid up to 50 times per second. So this is super fast. The benefit of the high-speed solenoid to the farmer is we have accurate placement of chemical before the weed target and after the weed target. The Quadro is most efficiently used when it's fitted to a contour following boom to maintain height above the targets in continually undulating country. The WEED-IT sensors are mounted every metre along the boom and mounted quite high at 1100 millimetres above the ground. And the advantage of being mounted so high is that in stubble environments there's minimal shading. We're not having too many small weeds hiding behind stubble when we have a sensor looking so high. It divides the sensor into 4 even channels of 250 millimetres. We also have a nozzle that matches. Using a narrow angle 40-degree nozzle gives us the ability to detect and apply chemicals accurately. In larger weeds, we often detect not only one channel activating one nozzle, but we get an automatic rate boost when a larger weed's detected by 2 channels or possibly 3. We get this extra boost of chemical, not only in volume and rate, but from different trajectories. So we're painting the plant from the left, from the right, and possibly straight above. That's our maximum coverage and penetration. WEED-IT's ZenCAD monitor and controller is a very simple basic display that monitors the nozzle activities and is an interface for the user to be able to select sensitivities relative to the targets of weeds that are present. WEED-IT Quadro features turn compensation. This allows farmers in tight turns to ensure they're still hitting weeds regardless of the higher speed of the outer boom. And as that inside boom slows down, we still maintain accurate placement of chemical on target.
The WEED-IT Quadro from Croplands is the next generation of weed management. Contact your local Croplands dealer and experience the unrivaled accuracy and efficiency of the WEED-IT Quadro.